Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Railway Engineering by Suburban. Today our topic is speeds on railway track. This video has been prepared on demand of our friends and to motivate the present young and energetic generation engineers. In this video has been explained what is maximum sectional speed, it is MSS, maximum permissible speed, Kmph, permanent speed restriction, PSR, temporary speed restriction, PSR, and booked speed. Maximum sectional speed, MSS, is the highest speed allowed on the specific section. Indian railway track has been divided into groups to fix the maximum sectional speed. That is, the BG lines have been classified into 4 groups A to D on the basis of the future maximum permissible speeds as under. Number 1, Group A route, speeds up to 160 kmph. Number 2, Group B route, speeds up to 130 kmph. Group C, suburban sections of Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata. Group D route, speed up to 110 kmph. This depends on factors like track geometry, signaling system and overhead equipment. Next, maximum permissible speed. This maximum permissible speed for track as well as rolling stock. Maximum permissible speed for rolling stock is also called booked speed. So that is booked speed of the particular train, particular vehicle, particular loco, either diesel or electrical loco. For these rolling stocks also, RDSO fixed speed is maximum speed. Next comes to the track part. In railway tracks, maximum permissible speed, the highest speed permitted to run a train on a curve, taking into consideration the radius of curvature, actual cant deficiency, cant excess, and the length of transition. On curves where the maximum permissible speed is less than the maximum sectional speed of the section of the line, permanent speed restriction becomes necessary. I am repeating this one. On curves where the maximum permissible speed is less than the maximum sectional speed of the section of the line, permanent speed restriction becomes necessary. Actually, particular section have the maximum sectional speed, but due to curve parameters, that is radius of curve, actual cant deficiency, cant excess and the length of transition, also turnouts take off inside of the curve or outside of the curve, then sharper curve. Due to these features, maximum permissible speed has to be fixed by calculating the speeds of the particular curve. Next comes to permanent speed restrictions. Permanent speed restrictions are raised due to curves only. Then comes to temporary speed restrictions. Temporary speed restrictions are for day-to-day working. It is not a permanent. Those will come under works of short duration and workshop long duration. Just I am repeating here only definitions. Workshop short duration. Those works completed by sunset of the day of commencement and no restriction of speed thereafter is required. So that means workshop short duration is it may completed from sunrise to sunset. Example, casual rail renewal, pulling back creep, etc. Next, works of long duration. These works extended over a few days or few weeks, during which period of continuous restriction of speed is to be in force. For this, temporary engineering fixed signals shall be fixed at appropriate distances. That is, these works are continued some days. Example, through sleeper renewal work, deep screening work, TRR work, or temporary diversions, bridge repairs, etc. For example, in South Central Railway, trains to run with maximum speed of 130 kmph. That is, maximum sectional speed is 130 kmph. In the majority sections of Secunderabad, Vijayawada and Guntakal divisions. This is effect from September 22 onwards. In South Central Railway, Secunderabad division, Kazipet Ballarsha section, that is from Bellampalli to Ballarsha, 130 kmph speed trail run has been conducted with oscillograph run from Bellampalli to Ballarsha and Ballarsha to Bellampalli. On up and down lines, this is first speed trail run on South Central Railway. With the dynamic leadership of SP Sahu, CNDN North, AK Kandlawal, ADN Bellampalli, and I am working as a PW Grade 1 Bellampalli in charge. Thank you very much. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group and ask them to subscribe such more technical and valuable videos. Thank you very much.